Hi there, let me show you how to turn on chimes on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. For this, we need to open settings, so just press the digital crown to open all of the applications first. Choose settings, and here we need to search for the accessibility tab. And now just scroll till you will see the chimes section. Great, here it is. And to enable it, just simply tap on this switcher. And now you can select the beep frequency, for example, every hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes, and also choose the sound for your beep. You can choose either bells or birds. And now the watch will beep at the selected time, helping you keep better track of time. If you want to disable it, just tap on this switcher again. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and disable chimes. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.